that sits terrifying. Incredible. Moving a 400-ton transformer with ALE heavy haulage uni-power is extremely impressive. The synchronous operating system and meticulousness in every operation demonstrate ALE's class in the field of transporting oversized and overweight objects. Komatsu PC 1250 combines a 15-ton clamp to create a powerful duo in demolition. With super strong clamps and high precision, the machine easily handles hard materials, ensuring quick demolition without causing damage to the surrounding area. The durable operation makes Komatsu PC 1250 the top choice for large projects, ensuring progress and absolute safety. The skilled woodcutter used a steel chainsaw to fell a giant cedar tree, measuring more than 1.5 meters in diameter and 40 meters high. With a 90 cnm blade and more than 6 horsepower, the steel helped him process tons of wood in just a few hours, turning the ancient tree into straight logs, ready for sawing and processing. This precise cutting technique ensures safety while preserving the maximum value of the wood. FABOFA PS1560 Mobile Screening Plant is a mobile mineral processing machine designed for efficient screening of construction materials. Equipped with a tracking system, it can move flexibly between different locations to perform screening tasks. With a processing capacity of 15 to 60 tons per hour, it is an effective solution for construction and mining operations. The intelligent control system optimizes performance and minimizes environmental impact. The Fenvario 828 tractor was introduced in the 90s, representing the continuous progress in machinery technology, and is considered the most important achievement to date. Equipped with a powerful engine, it can easily pull a plow and perform various agricultural tasks. Meanwhile, the Kuhn 8-row plow is a professional tool capable of plowing 8 rows at the same time, improving the productivity of farmers. The combination of experience applied by this farmer brings significant economic benefits. When it comes to wild beasts, the Gremo 1050H, a giant in the logging industry, asserts its dominance with its powerful engine and flexible maneuverability on any terrain. Every hour, this machine is like a skilled hunter, able to harvest and process an impressive amount of wood without compromising on quality. With its advanced cutting and processing system, the Gremo 1050H maintains its position in the wood industry, providing outstanding efficiency and precision. Liebherr LB44 mix symbol of power and efficiency in bored pile drilling. With a motor output of up to 670 kilowatts, The machine can continuously create large diameter burrs and impressive depths. Equipped with an advanced automatic monitoring and control system, the LB44 ensures precision and safety during pile drilling. The 360-degree rotation capability enhances flexibility and efficiency on all terrains during construction. Wolf's Super Plow Trencher is a hit with 600 horsepower and 240 feet per minute. Its powerful design makes it easy to handle any terrain, making it a great helper for farmers during the harvest season, saving time and increasing productivity. With a sturdy chain system and a 7-meter-long conveyor belt, the machine moves flexibly and loads and unloads wood quickly. The maximum load capacity of 15 tons helps the Jarcrack Evo Pro easily transport large blocks of wood, meeting the requirements of the forestry industry and optimizing productivity, reducing operating costs. The top choice of many major contractors. Tesmec 1475 trenchers impress with their 630 horsepower, easily handling all types of soil and rock, creating 6.5-meter deep trenches with high precision. The stable track system helps the machine operate effectively on all terrains, pipelines, and industrial works. The Unimog U400 and U430 make the harsh winters of the Berner Oberland an easy challenge to overcome. Equipped with modern snow sweepers and brushes, both models quickly clear snow and ice, ensuring safe and smooth traffic. Leave number 1 in the comments section if you are impressed with this giant monster. Indeed, you would never think that the XCMG XGC 88,000 crawler crane is one of the world's largest lifting machines, with a lifting capacity of up to 40,000 tons. Known as the world's largest lifting machine, it can operate within a radius of up to 39 meters, creating an impressive working radius. With its outstanding precision and performance, the XCMG XGC 88,000 is the first choice for large-scale construction and lifting projects. It is considered one of the pinnacles of crane and construction engineering. The new generation Mammoet heavy-duty crane is a giant with a maximum lifting capacity of 5,000 tons and a working height of up to 250 meters. With its intelligent control system, Mammoet can easily install supersized and super heavy structures, effectively serving the world's largest projects. The NX Trencher D250 is not just a conventional trenching disc, but the epitome of precision and performance, with the ability to dig trenches up to 80 centimeters deep, and with width adjustment from 12 to 25 centimeters, it is the ideal partner for creating evenly spaced trenches. Have you ever wondered how a farmer can harvest tons of sugar beets in 8 hours? The answer lies in the Vervet Beet Eater Evo 625, which is not only a sugar beet harvester, but also a masterpiece combining tradition and innovation. Its flexible handling and outstanding performance stand out in sugar beet harvesting. With the Beet Eater Evo 625, farmers have more than just a machine. They have a reliable partner that helps them overcome all challenges in a modern and highly efficient way. Perhaps the holy grail of foundation drilling is the Liebherr's LB28, an icon in the drilling rig industry that takes construction technology to new heights. Weighing 83 tons and powered by a powerful 450 kilowatts engine, the rig is both powerful and the pinnacle of sophistication. GPS and automated controls optimize the drilling process, delivering unparalleled precision and efficiency. With a powerful 480 kilowatts engine and advanced automation, the machine delivers outstanding performance, saving time and costs. The modern screening system helps remove impurities, ensuring clean, uniform beet harvest. Grimm Maxtron 620 is a super machine for harvesting sugar beets, optimally designed for German fields. Stone Crusher FAESTC SSL, the #1 choice for construction contractors. With its powerful design, advanced hydraulic system, and diverse crushing capabilities, FAESTC SSL easily meets all strict requirements. Put STC SSL into your construction and experience the breakthrough power. The Hitachi EH5000 AC3 is one of the world's most powerful super-large dump trucks, specializing in transporting soil, rock, and ore in large-scale open-pit mines. With a payload of up to 296 tons per trip, and an engine with a capacity of more than 2,850 horsepower, the EH5000 AC3 can move more than 5,000 tons of materials per day. When it comes to the power and scale of earth-moving work, we immediately think of the Caterpillar D11R, representing the power and professionalism of construction machinery. With a massive weight of up to 104 tons, This bulldozer is powerful and versatile in digging and leveling terrain. The Caterpillar 3508 BEUI engine delivers impressive performance, allowing the D11R to tackle challenging tasks in large-scale construction projects. Introduced in 1996, it completely revolutionized the mining industry. The FEAT 1300 DT super tractor combined with the Bossini B260 tank creates a stunning piece of agricultural technology that amazes with its power and sophistication. With its powerful 6-cylinder engine, the FEAT 1300 DT Super develops up to 150 GP and has an engine displacement of 7,412 cubic centimeters, delivering impressive performance for all agricultural tasks. The Bossini B260 tank, weighing 100 kg.L and capable of carrying more than 200 kg.L, he is an efficient partner and a symbol of flexibility and convenience in the distribution of liquid fertilizers. When it comes to earth-moving giants, most people think of the Cat 999, but the Cat 793F really stands out. Introduced in 1996, it brought significant improvements over its predecessor. The Caterpillar 793F is a giant dump truck and is a product of Caterpillar Inc., a multinational company headquartered in Peoria, Illinois, United States. Caterpillar is one of the world's leading manufacturers of construction and mining equipment. Finally, the Vervet Quad XL fertilizer spreader represents a breakthrough in the field of lawn care. With a total capacity of up to 40 cubic meters, the Quad XL is a wide choice and a remarkable technical innovation in lawn care machines. The most unique feature is the Vogelsang Swing Max spray system, with a spray radius of up to 36 m, which brings incredible efficiency and precision in fertilizer application. Thank you for watching the whole video. If you see any impressive machine, please leave a comment to let us know. Subscribe to our channel to watch more interesting videos. See you in the next video.